Hello everyone, welcome to Monaseasternkitchen, and today I'm going to prepare Darjeeling tea. Darjeeling tea is a world-renowned tea grown in the hilly town of Darjeeling and its surrounded valleys. It is also known as the champagne of teas, which is best enjoyed without sugar or milk. There are different types of Darjeeling tea, namely black, green, white and oolong. Darjeeling tea is grown in 5 flushes or growing seasons, and for this video I will be using the first flush. The beauty of Darjeeling tea lies in the simplicity, and the recipe for a perfect cup of Darjeeling tea is very simple. So let's get started. In a teapot, add 2 heaped teaspoons of loose Darjeeling tea leaves, 1 teaspoon for each cup. Then add 2 cups of boiling water. The water is boiled at 80 to 90 degrees Celsius, and let the tea leaves steep for 3 to 5 minutes depending on your desired strength. For a stronger tea, let it steep for more than 5 minutes, and for a milder tea, let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. This will let the tea leaves expand and open in water. Darjeeling tea is best when served without any added sugar or milk. However, black sugarless tea is an acquired taste, so you can add half to 1 teaspoon of sugar if you have just started drinking Darjeeling tea. However, as you drink more tea, keep lowering the sugar added, as this will result in you experiencing the taste of the tea to its fullest form. Strain the tea before you serve it. Enjoy the Darjeeling tea tepid. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please follow me on Facebook page and Instagram. The links for both are given below in the description box.